Hello, Albert. Might I say you're looking rather smart today?
Why, thank you, sir.
Welcome to Dr. Albert Muzquiz's masterclass on Ivy League dressing, a scholarly pursuit of timeless elegance. It's not about being smart, but looking smart, right, Albert?
Yeah, I think so.
Layering is key, and balance is the hallmark of Ivy League chic. Another way to pull off prep is carry books around. Speaking of subjects, on the subject of style, Albert embodies Ivy League elegance, proving that true style is about the legacy you project to others. Plus, why mention you went to an Ivy League school when you can just dress the part?
Amen. So, I attended Yale for law, and I just didn't find it challenging enough, so eventually I transferred to
Oxford to study the migration patterns of the Calidris pygmaea, where I received my doctorate. Turns out, they're naming a wing after me.
Albert, remember, it's the character you inspire that defines your elegance.
Yeah.